Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide WordPress pages and posts from search engine. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to install plugin. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Now in search plugin, write Yoast SEO. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to pages. So click on it. Now open any page. So click on edit. Now scroll down, you see Yoast SEO, again scroll, and then you see advanced, so click on it. Then you see allow search engine to show this page in search result. By default yes, so no, and then click on update. Now page update done, so go to post, so click on it. Now open any post, so click on edit. Now scroll down, you see Yoast SEO, then you see advanced, so click on it. Now you see same option, so select drop down, no, and then click on update. So in this way you can hide WordPress pages and posts from search engine. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.